Hello everyone. We have already completed the first part of 3.2, that is question number 1 and question number 2. Now we have to begin the second part of 3.2 and that will begin with question number 3, and the question is like this. The number 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. That means 13 and 31 both are having same digits. 13 is having 1 and 3 and 31 is also having 3 and 1. Okay, so both are having same digits and both are prime numbers. So we have to find out such pair of prime numbers up to 100. I am showing you all the prime numbers up to 100 on the screen. You can pause the video and find out such pairs. Okay, now we'll see the answers. So first answer is 17 and 71. Second answer is 37 and 73, and the third pair is 79 and 97. So 17 and 71, this is having same numbers, we can say same digits, that is 1 and 7. Okay, and both are prime numbers. So like this, these three examples are given. Now we have to move for the fourth question. Write down separately the prime and the composite numbers less than 20. Less than 20, we have to write all the numbers. We have to classify them into prime and composite numbers. So we will start with 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. That will not come here, and even it will not come here also. So second is 2. 2 is a prime number. 3 prime number. 4 composite number. 5 prime number. 6 composite. 7 prime. 8, 9, 10, 11 is a prime number. 12, 13 is a prime number. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and if we include 20 then it will come here, but it is said that less than 20, that means we have to write up to 19 only. Okay, now we have to move to the next question, question number 5. The question is like this. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? That we can see from here, 1 and 10. Okay, this is the greatest prime number, 7, because after 7 what comes? 11. That means before 10 we are having 7 as the greatest prime number. So 7 is the greatest prime number. Answer is 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. You can like this, write like this. 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Question number 6. Express the following as the sum of two odd primes. That means we have to express these numbers as the sum of two odd primes. Two odd primes means we have to write two numbers which are prime, which are odd prime, and with the sum of that we found this number. Okay, like I'll show you how to do this. So first of all we have to write 44 and we have to remove one odd prime from it. Okay, we have to remove means we have to subtract an odd prime number from it. Odd prime begins with 3 because 2 is a even prime number, that is only the even prime number. So we have to start subtracting this number with 3, and what comes answer? That is 41. Okay, so we break 44 into 3 and 41. Okay, and 3 is a prime number, 41 is also a prime number. If the answer also comes as a prime number, then we can write this as the sum of two odd primes, that is 41 plus 3, what will it become? 44. So the sum of two odd primes, yeah, we know that 41 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. So when we take the sum of 41 and 3, what will come? 44. Okay, we'll check next one. This is the A, and now we will solve B, that is 36. Again we have to take out, we'll take next another prime number, that is 5. Okay, so if we take out this prime, this is a prime number, remember that we have to take out a prime number, not 2, because 2 is even prime and we have to make sum of two odd primes, that is why I am taking out odd prime. Okay, yeah, so what will come? Answer will be 31. And yes, 31 is also a prime number. So we can write like this: 31 plus 5, these prime numbers as sum, and what will be the answer? 36 will be the answer. Yes, 36 is coming as the sum of two odd primes. Yes. Now question number C, that is 24. Now I am going to take another prime number out. You can take out 3 again, no problem. You can subtract 3 or 5 or any other prime number. So when I subtract 7, what will be the answer? 17 will be the answer. Yes, 7 is a prime number and 17 is also a prime number. So we can write like this: 17 plus 7, that will be equals to 24. You can solve like this also: 24 subtracted 5, what will be the answer? 19 is the answer, and 5 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number, so this can be also the answer. Okay, 24 here and 24, this is also correct answer and this is also correct answer. Question number D, this I am giving you to do it by yourself, DIY. Okay, and you can write answers in the comment section with your name. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Question number 7, give 3 pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. This is very easy. This is also called as twin primes. If we have any 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2, then those prime numbers are called as twin primes. So one answer, we have to give 3 pairs. Okay, first, second and third. Okay, so we can see that 3 and 5 having difference of 2. Difference means if we subtract it, we will find 2 as answer. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, and the next one, say any, yeah, 5 and 7. And the next one we will write 11 and 13. Okay, so these are the twin primes. So now question number 8, which of the following numbers are prime? So question is, which of the following numbers are prime? And following numbers are given here: 23, 51, 37 and 26. You can easily say that 23 is a prime number and 37 is a prime number. So you can write like this: 23 and 37 is a prime number. Okay, now question number 9, 10, 11, 12 we will see in the part 3. Thanks for watching the full video.